Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mac's language. First, open System Settings from your dock or the Apple menu. Once open, look for General in the sidebar and click on it. This will bring up several options. Next, select Language and Region to access your current language preferences. This is where we will begin making adjustments to your system's display language. To add a new language, click the plus button located below the Preferred Languages list. A window will appear, allowing you to browse or search for the language you wish to add. Once you find it, select it and click Add. You will then be prompted to choose whether this new language should become your primary language immediately. Make your selection to proceed with the change. If you didn't set your new language as primary when adding it, you can do so now. Simply drag your desired language to the very top of the Preferred Languages list. For the changes to fully apply across your entire system, you must restart your Mac. After restarting, your Mac's interface, including menus and applications, should now be displayed in your newly selected primary language. Beyond the primary language, you can also fine-tune other region-specific settings. For example, you can adjust the region to ensure currency, dates, and times are displayed in the correct format for your location. Additionally, you can customize input sources to easily switch between different keyboard layouts or scripts. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. These adjustments help create a truly personalized and efficient user experience on your Mac.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.